Hi guys, today's mission is going to be installing glow plugs on the Defender. So the TD5 engine uses 4 glow plugs. I've been having some troubles in the morning starting the car. I'm going to start by changing the glow plugs. I'm going to also check my injector harness after. I'm going to do a separate video on that one. But in the meanwhile, let's change this and I'm going to guide you through all the process. First task is removing the engine cover to make it easier to access. So I will remove, first of all, the screws that hold it and take it out. Glow plugs will be located right here. 1, 2 behind that hole over there. The third is over there, and the other one is over there. I don't know what was the last time anybody changed this. I'm gonna apply some WD-40 and tomorrow I'm gonna come back and try to take them out all 4. So let me try to reach on the glow plugs over there. They are very hidden. It's a difficult task to try to reach them all. To unscrew the glow plug, you will need a 10mm socket, but these longer ones that can go all the way to grab the nut, as you can see here. I will try to do the first one. And it's out. Okay, man, this one seems old, so you can see the difference between a new glow plug and an old glow plug. My god. Okay, new glow plug to go in. I'm applying some high temperature grease so that anytime I need to take it out, I'm sure they're not going to be stuck, and we'll put it back in place. Okay, 1 down, 3 more to go. Another one out. I'm gonna use my torque wrench in the end to tie them up all nicely. You don't need to over tighten them. It's just for them to be well secured. Okay, second one is in. Let's try to take out the third one now. One more that is out. Let's put the third one in. Okay, I think this is the one, the third one for me is the one that is hardest to reach. So let's move on to the last one. Okay, and it's out, and this is the last one. And number 4 glow plug is in. Let's just screw it back. Okay, all done. We got 4 glow plugs out. Now we just need to connect the wires to the glow plug. Okay, one is in. Let's get the other one. This is really tricky because they are really hidden inside. Okay. I think job is done. All 4 glow plugs are installed. Now we just have to see if the motor starts. Let's turn on the ignition and see if it's running. Job done. 4 glow plugs changed. They don't look so bad. I don't have any oil residues on the glow plug because that's a bad sign. Just blacked out, but I think that's normal. I can only give feedback after tomorrow when I start the car in the morning, because cold starts are the biggest problem. That's why I'm changing this. So we'll keep you posted. Thanks for being with me in this adventure. See you guys for the next movie.